Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to be showing you some collection of stones that I have. This one you are seeing is called Beirut. You can see its colors, how good looking it is. And the next one is a quartz. These occur over time, and we have, this is lithium. Yes, this one you are seeing, it is the lithium. So, and some feldspar and quartz attached to it. This is the feldspar side, and some lithium ore. And the next one is also a quartz. This particular quartz normally contains silica. Yes, and you can also use it for gem after it undergoes polishing. And then this one is also a quartz, and this one has the highest concentration of silica also in it, the mineral resources. So if you have it in large quantity, it's a lot of money. This one also is black quartz. You can see it. If you are lucky, you can find something inside. The next one is feldspar. You can see it. It is shiny. In the black spots there, it's also lithium and black tourmaline. This shiny stuff is mica. See, it's dark. So you can actually do something with it. It's a very good looking minerals. I like this particular one. Also, this one is a mixture of black tourmaline. This black spot on it is Babylon. We'll call it black tourmaline. Yes, you can see how over time how it reacted and become the minerals. This one is pegmatite. From this you will be able to tell if a site is positive or not, productive or not. This one is lead and zinc all together. I don't know if you can differentiate, but the shiny stuff is lead, and this side is a bit of zinc. So don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can anytime I drop some other videos, you will get notified. Thank you so much. Please support and hit the notification button. Thanks.